Dear all, welcome to Civil Services with ZAKI. And as you know, today we are going to discuss about the James Webb Space Telescope and basically new view of the cosmos. As you know, this is the world most significant telescope and one of the masterpiece of the science ever built by the humanity. So it is the one of the most significant space telescope ever built by the human. So as you know, and if you want to know more about the James Webb Space Telescope, then you also must watch our previous video, a specific video on James Webb Space Telescope, this video. So you can also watch this video for the more detailed and descriptions about the James Webb Space Telescope. But here we discuss about the new view of the cosmos by the James Webb Space Telescope. So what are the new picture and what are the first picture taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, and how these images are created, and why these images are the one of the most significant considered by the scientific and beyond the expectation and all that. So before we going to forward, please subscribe our channel, tell your friends and colleagues. And as you know, now we provide you about the 5 most probable question in each video. So assume in one video you can get 5 questions, so in 10 you can get 50 questions. So that's why these videos are one of the most significant videos for you, because as you know, in the previous year about 22 questions this directly asked from our this video series. So whether it is 2001, 2008, 2021, 2022 and 2023, these all series are significant for the civil service examinations, and who a student who are basically serious like you. So that's why please subscribe our channel and tell your friends and colleagues and share this video. And if you want to donate something for your teacher, or so for run the this YouTube channel and all that, so please you can also scan this and donate. So let's we move forward and see what are the today's topic. So see, number 1, first images from the James Webb Space Telescope. So we discuss all first images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Another is the deepest image of the universe. So one picture is the most important, is the deepest image of the universe. Another is the Steamy atmosphere of the distant planet. So this distant planet basically possesses the Steamy atmosphere. It means these this exoplanet contain water. And another is the Southern Ring Nebula. So what is the Southern Ring Nebula? It is so Southern Ring. We also discussed about the Southern Ring Nebula. And another is interacting galaxies. So we also discuss about these. What is these all 5 interacting galaxy? These galaxies are commonly known as the Stephan's Quintet. So Stephan Quintet, we also discuss about these Stephan Quintet. So it is one of the most significant figures also. Another is the cosmic cliff. So what is this cosmic cliff? And it's basically these cosmic cliffs look like a mountain. So we also see this type of the picture, and also discuss about these images. And another is other significant images. So basically these 5 images are the first images from the James Webb Space Telescope. So as you know, now we are in 2023, so it means more images are taken by the James Webb Space Telescope and reveal the secret of the cosmos. So other significant images first direct image of the of an exoplanet. Also fingerprint in space. So what is the fingerprint in space, or it is also known as the cosmic fingerprint. So what is the cosmic fingerprint? We also discussed about. And pillar of creation. So what is the pillar of creation? And also what is the hit and run galaxy? So we also discuss all that. And finally, you know, we now provide you note 1, note 2, note 3, total 5 questions for your exam. So as you know, your exam is very near on 28th May, and today is 22nd May. So it's very near. So please, you do practice on question. So you can find and go to our app, this app, and find various tests, free test series. So basically we provide you free test series for 2023, so you can test all these. So basically these questions are look like difficult, but if you are a serious student, then these questions are very easy for you. So let's see 5 questions. So mega question for the UPSC-CSE for 5 most probable questions for the civil services examination. And now we move forward and see context. So what is the context? So if we see, the James Webb Space Telescope is finally in action. The telescope, which launched in December 2021, released first science data in July and immediately began the surpassing the astronomer expectation. So it is the beyond the expectation. So as you know, and these first images released on the 12th July 2022. And if you want to know more about the James Webb Space Telescope and what are devices installed in these James Webb Space Telescope, then you must watch our this video. And in this video, you also find each and everything, what is the objective of the James Webb Space Telescope and all that. So let's we move forward and see the first images from the James Webb Space Telescope. And see here, the dawn of a new era in the astronomy has begun as the world get its first look at the full capability of NASA James Webb Space Telescope with a partnership with the ESA, European Space Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. So these two space agency is the partner in this James Webb Space Telescope. So the telescope first full color image and spectroscopic data were released on 12th July 2020. So these data, basically these 5 images, significant 5 images released on 12th July. So release, as you know, release some time interval. So first images, second images, third images, and 5th images all. So here you find the exact sequence that's released by the NASA, officially released by the NASA scientists. So see here, some of the Webb first significant images are following. Number 1, deepest image of the universe. So it is the first image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. So released first image. So in the history of the James Webb, it is the deepest image of the universe. Is the first image of the James Webb Space Telescope. It released about 12 July 2022 at 10:39 AM EDT. It means it's North American time EDT. So let's, Webb has delivered the deepest and sharpest infrared image of the distant universe so far, and it's only take 12.5 hours to exact basically take this picture or create this data and picture. But if you compare with the Hubble telescope, the same type of the picture, if Hubble telescope taken, it take several weeks No, it's only 12.5 hours. So affectionately known as the Webb first deep field. It's also known as the first deep field. This is basically, this image is a galaxy, this galaxy cluster. So this galaxy cluster is known as SMACS 0723, and it's teeming with the thousands of galaxies, not 1 2 3 4, thousands of galaxies, including the smallest, faintest, and object ever observed. So smallest object and all that is so see, let's see this. This is the deepest so Webb image, approximately the size of the grain. So it's taken in the corner of the sky. Imagine size of the grain on your arms. So these images show the galaxy cluster SMACS 0723 as it's appeared 4.6 billion years. So it means these galaxy cluster are situated about 4.6 billion light years from Earth. So that's why it's with many more galaxy you can see span. So this deep field image is taken by the Webb's infrared NIRCam. So what is this type of the camera and all that? So as you know, you can watch our previous video about the device and all that. So let's we move forward and see another picture. Another picture is steamy atmosphere of the distant planet. It is the second picture officially released by the NASA in the group of the first images. So see here, it's released about 1046. First images 1039, it's 1046 here. This date is same, but the timing is different. So see here, Webb's detailed observation of WASP 96b. It is about 1150 light years away, a hot puffy planet outside our solar system. It means it's exoplanet. So the clear signature of the water, along with the evidence of the haze cloud that provide a study this planet did not detect. So previously, basically, if you see the previous study, this type of haze cloud and vapor or atmosphere not detected in the previous study. So with Webb's first detection of the water in the atmosphere of an exoplanet, so it is also significant for the first exoplanet with water detected by the James Webb is WASP 96b. It is the most detailed of its kind till date. So it's the most detailed data basically provided by the James Webb Space Telescope till date. So see here, see this is. So this is clear signature of the CO2. Sorry, water. So this is hazy and basically steamy atmosphere of this planet. So as you know, this planet is WASP 96b. So it is the one of the most significant picture, and it is second picture taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Another is see here, Southern Ring Nebula. So it is the third image taken by the released by the NASA scientists. So Webb captured the latest image of this planetary nebula. So it is the planetary nebula. So why we are studying these type of the planetary nebula? Because we know we want to know more about the how our Earth and solar system originated in the past. So basically it's catalog and officially Southern Ring Nebula known as the NGC 3132 and known formally Southern Ring Nebula. It's also known as the White Burst Nebula and also Caldwell. It is approximately 2500 light years away. New details like this are the significant to understand the late stage of the star life. What is the late stage of the star life and why these type of the star after dying in fusion, and what is the fate of our own solar system in the future. So that type of the study will help understand to these type of the question. So, and how a star evolve and transform their environment on all that. So see here the Southern Ring Nebula. See, it is Southern Ring Nebula. So if you see here, it is the NGC 3132, bright about so it's the protoplanetary planetary nebula in the constellations of the Vela. So if you can find it. So NGC, what is the meaning of the NGC? If you have any question in your mind, what is the NGC? NGC, it means it is known as the New General Catalog. New General Catalog of Nebula. So it is, that's why its catalog and number 3132. So let's we forward move and see the fourth interacting galaxy, and it is called Stephan Quintet. So what is Stephan Quintet? So see here, it is the fourth image taken officially released by the NASA. So Stephan Quintet is a visual basically. So Stephan Quintet is a visual group of 5 galaxies. So if you see here, five galaxies, basically 5 galaxies, that's why it is called Quintet, are also known as the Hickson Compact Group 92, and in short you can call it HGC 92, although called Quintet. But if you see these closely, so only 4 galaxies are truly close together, and in the cosmic dance, if you see that, the fifth and leftmost galaxy is called NGC 7320, well in the foreground compared with the other. So if we see this galaxy is very far from the other 4 group of the galaxy. So basically NGC 73.2 resides about the 40 million light year from the Earth, and the other 4 are basically 290 million away from the Earth. So it was different, but in the cosmology and in the cosmos, these type of the large difference is not basically significant, because they are the vast, as you know, the universe is very vast. So that's why these are all 5 called Quintet, Stephan's Quintet. So see here, this is, so see these 4 galaxy is, and this, so these fourth galaxy is 40 million light year away from Earth, and this is all 4 galaxies 290 million light year away from the Earth. So if you see here, Stephan Quintet is a visual group of, basically it is the visual group of the 5 galaxies. Let's we move forward and see the fifth. It is called cosmic cliff. So what is the cosmic cliff? It is the last image basically released by the NASA on 12th July 2022. See here, it is called cosmic cliff. Webb seemingly 3-dimensional picture look like a craggy mountain. So it's look like a craggy mountain, and if you on a moonlight evening, in reality it is the edge of the giant, the gaseous cavity within the NGC 3324. It is that, if you see in the picture, the tallest peak in this image is about 7 light year high, located roughly about 7,600 light year away. So it was imaged by the Webb 2 cam. One is the NIRCam and another is MIRI. So these mid infrared instrument and near infrared camera. So see the cosmic cliff. See this is. So it is the tallest peak. If you see the tallest peak here, tallest peak is about 7 light year. 7 light years tall. So if you see the landscape like the mountain valley is part with the getting so basically it is the, if you see the it is the birthplace of the star. So here a star is forming and some type of the protoplanetary disk and all that is basically forming in this area. So let's we move forward and see some other significant images. Other significant images are also very important because the one of the most important thing is the first direct image of an exoplanet. So see here, first direct image of an exoplanet. So exoplanet HIP 65426b shines 4 different wavelength in this image, the James Webb Space Telescope. So see, it is the star and this is the planet. So it is the direct image. So it is planet and it is a star. So it's a different exoplanet. So this picture is also image is also significant. Another image, also significant image, is the cosmic fingerprint, and it is also known as the fingerprint in the space. And it's basically produced for if you see here if you see here, it's about the wolf rayet 140 produce shell of the dust every 8 years, because it's the binary stars and they will come together and they create this type of the situations, and so it's look like the fingerprints. That's why it is also known as the cosmic fingerprint or fingerprint in the space. Another is pillar of creation. So pillar of creations, it is an interstellar gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula. It is Eagle Nebula. So it is present in the Eagle Nebula. It's basically Serpens constellation. So it is situated in the Serpens constellation, some about the 6,500 to 7,000 light year from the Earth. This is an region where young stars are forming. Here, if you see the young stars are forming the such type of the protoplanetary disk and such type of the nebular disk. So, or have barely burst from their cocoons as they continue. So it is the basically known as the pillar of creation. So that's why it is called. So it is the other significant image taken by James Webb Space Telescope. So if you see that's another picture. Another picture is also hit and run galaxy. So galaxy hit and run, and basically it's the merger of the two galaxy, 1 and 2 galaxy, and hit and run and finally form this type of the galaxy. So basically this galactic mashup whose main remnant is known as the Cartwheel Galaxy. It is also known as the Cartwheel Galaxy. Is a lenticular ring galaxy about 500 million light year away from the Earth. So this is also one of the significant images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. So see, that's all about the James Webb Space Telescope. So as you know, the new look of our cosmos, we can able to detect the water or the water of the exoplanet by the James Webb thousands of light year or hundreds of light year away from us. So that's why this telescope is one of the most significant telescope of our humanity. So let's see why this is significant for UPSC. So question for the UPSC, mega question for the UPSC. So 5 most So basically, consider the following. So James Webb and NASA and the partners question. So another is the James Webb first image, and another is the if you see the cosmic cliff and all that. So you can find all these questions like the James Webb Space Telescope and all that in our this. So please go to the description box, find all question in click the link and answer this question, and also you can find detailed answer with descriptions in this link. So please go to the link and answer these questions, these 5 questions. So that's all about our new images of the James Webb. So stay connected with the civil services with ZAKI and know about what are the happening day to day in the cosmos, in the science and technology, in the environment, and geography and all that. So that's why please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also if you want to like free test and all, so as you know your exam is very near, so you can practice as you can. So that's why please download this app, so because this app is very significant for you, because you can find free test and also free materials in this app. And if you want to donate something or support our channel and all that, so then you can also donate scan this. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. We will meet in the next video, next topic. Thanks.